Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I'm going to do unboxing! Yay! I know it's too much. I know this is the third box of this month. April! But this one I have never opened it and I was asked would I want to. Who would say no? I just replied, come on, I don't want to sound greedy over here, but yeah. We have over here a sock crate, a membership. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open up and I'm going to tell you more. But before I even open, and if you don't want to look, don't look, go on the link down below, check it yourself. With any first subscription, you can get 20% off if you use this code, KIL20. So definitely use it. Okay, so let's have fun. This is a monthly subscription, right? Which means that it will arrive at your door every month. There is a surprise normally with it. You may have a peek what kind of weight of yarn you're going to get, but with the colorways, most of the time it's a surprise. At least with other boxes. So what do we get? We get this. We get a beautiful, beautiful card every time. We have written down information what is in the box, and then you have some coupon codes. With this one, we have a yarn, we have a pattern, and we have a shipping for free. The shipping is for free if you are a member. And what else? The retail value is $34, but you can get it for $19.99. Again, the shipping is free internationally. And we have 35% coupon code for something over here. Teaser! Let's check the pattern. Ooh, this is cute! Okay, we have a pattern by Joanna Booth. I hope I'm saying it right. The heels are alive. The hills are alive. So here it is on the screen. Check it out. And normally you will get a link at the back of this card to direct you to the pattern. It's so cute. Okay, yarn. Ooh! Okay, this is a beautiful yarn. And I know it is a sock membership crate, but I haven't eager to knit a hat with it. No. So here is a name. Okay, how would you say it? Vidalana? How would you say it? Vidalana. Colorway garnet, I think. 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina. Fingering weight, we have 399 yards, which is 365 meters. So fingering weight yarn, and that all the information now on the screen. So pause if you want to read it, but look at this stellina. Oh my, do you see it? Oh my, beautiful, beautiful. Can I knit a hat? Oh my, beautiful. Look at this. How nice. Okay, first things first. I have only knitted one pair of socks with a hand-dyed yarn. I know. I'm leaving you a playlist to all the socks that I've knitted down below so you can check it out. And I'm resisting to knit a hat. I'm leaving a link down below to my playlist with hats, just in case you're wondering. Okay, but I want to break that spell and start knitting socks with a luxurious yarn and see how it acts. Put it into washing machine with a gentle cycle, not even a wool, even lighter than that, and see how it goes. But guys, is it not going to be amazing hat? It's so pretty! Oh my, I love it so much. I love it so much. You know what? Maybe I will stop over here and I'm asking you for a suggestion. Please let me know. Should I knit a socks with it or should I knit a hat with it? I'm curious and you will make the decision for me. Yes. Right, have you got your box yet? What kind of box you're getting from KnitCrate? Let me know down below, I'm very interested. What you have on your needles, from those boxes. Down below also you can find all the links with the project, finished object videos with a project that I've done using KnitCrate yarn, so you can check it out. And if I use their pattern or I just went creative with it and designed something myself or use different patterns, check it out. Maybe you have something in your stash that you don't know what to do, and that may help you out. I mentioned about my playlists, so do that, check them too. Maybe something inspires you too. Oh my, I hope you got this because it's amazing with the pattern and some discount codes. I hope you enjoyed this one. I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use hashtag knittingiLove and hashtag KnitCrate for anything you're knitting, because I'm going on that hashtag. I'm going to leave you that hashtag also down below. Hopefully I won't forget to put all those links there. And have a sneak peek because you may find something interesting yourself there too. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Bye!